In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to have voice chat in Roblox on the PlayStation 4 and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you play Roblox on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 or even another console such as the Xbox, you might be wondering if it is possible to get voice and text chat. This is because if you join any experience, you go into the menu, you will not have the option to access the chat, as you can see here at the top right corner of the screen. So this seems to be exclusive to PC. Is there some sort of workaround to get this feature working on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 when you play Roblox? Even if you browse through the menu inside of the experience, or even if you back out to go to the home screen before joining an experience and you look through all of the options, none of them are going to refer to voice chat on the console versions of Roblox. So sadly, as of today, it is indeed impossible to use voice chat on Roblox on a PlayStation 4. The only option you have to talk to your friends while you play Roblox is to use another service outside of the game, such as Discord, where you can join a server together or make direct messages to each other. Besides this, you will not be able to use voice chat directly inside of Roblox. It seems like this is a decision made by Sony and Microsoft on the console releases of Roblox, where they don't want to allow other players to communicate with randoms. So as it stands today, like I said, you will be unable to access voice chat on the console versions of Roblox. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, to let people be aware about the limitations of using voice chat on the console versions of Roblox, and why this decision was put in place by Sony and Microsoft. If this video cleared up any questions that you had about how to enable voice chat, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.